A business analyst in the insurance domain plays a vital role in bridging the gap between business stakeholders and technical teams. The BA is responsible for understanding business needs and translating them into clear functional requirements. Key responsibilities include requirement gathering, process analysis, stakeholder communication, and documentation. Deliverables such as BRDs, FRDs, and user stories are essential for project success. The BA must also understand core systems like policy administration and claims management systems, which support insurance operations. Additionally, the BA identifies process improvements, ensures regulatory compliance, and supports testing and implementation activities. Strong domain knowledge allows the BA to ask relevant questions, identify gaps, and propose effective solutions. Overall, the business analyst contributes significantly to delivering efficient, accurate, and business-aligned insurance solutions. Commercial insurance provides coverage for businesses against operational and financial risks. It includes products such as liability insurance, marine insurance, and property insurance for organizations. These policies are often customized based on the size and nature of the business. Coverage may include legal liabilities, asset protection, and employer-related risks. From a business analyst perspective, commercial insurance is complex due to multiple stakeholders and detailed underwriting processes. Risk assessment is more sophisticated compared to individual insurance. Regulatory compliance is a critical factor, requiring systems to align with legal standards. A BA must ensure that all compliance requirements are incorporated into system design. Integration with external systems such as financial institutions and regulatory bodies is common. This understanding helps the BA deliver solutions that meet both business and regulatory needs. General insurance, also known as non-life insurance, provides coverage for assets and liabilities other than human life. It includes motor, property, and travel insurance. Motor insurance covers vehicles against accidents and damages, while property insurance protects physical assets like homes and buildings. Travel insurance covers risks associated with travel disruptions. From a business analyst perspective, general insurance involves high transaction volumes and shorter policy durations. Claims processing is frequent and requires efficient validation mechanisms. Key processes include policy issuance, premium calculation, and claim settlement. These processes must be clearly defined in system requirements. Rule-based systems are widely used for underwriting and claims validation. A BA must ensure that these rules are accurately captured and configurable. Understanding general insurance enables the development of scalable systems capable of handling large volumes efficiently. Health insurance covers medical expenses incurred due to illness, injury, or hospitalization. It plays a vital role in managing healthcare costs for individuals and families. Policies include individual plans and family floater plans, offering flexibility in coverage. Features such as cashless treatment and reimbursement claims are commonly included. From a business analyst perspective, health insurance involves complex workflows, especially in claims processing. This includes pre-authorization, treatment validation, and claim settlement. A BA must ensure seamless data flow between systems to avoid delays and errors. Policy rules defining coverage inclusions and exclusions must be clearly documented and implemented. Understanding these aspects allows the BA to improve process efficiency and enhance customer experience. Strong domain knowledge helps in identifying gaps and designing better healthcare insurance solutions. Life insurance provides financial protection to the policyholder's beneficiaries in case of death or after a specified term. It is generally a long-term policy designed to ensure financial stability for dependents. Common types include term life insurance, which offers coverage for a fixed period, and whole life insurance, which provides lifetime coverage along with savings benefits. These products are structured to meet varying customer needs. From a business analyst standpoint, life insurance involves multiple processes such as policy issuance, premium calculation, and claim settlement. The policy lifecycle, from proposal to maturity, is a critical area of focus. Claims processing requires verification of documents and beneficiaries, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Accuracy in capturing these processes is essential for system design. A BA must ensure that requirements clearly define these interactions to support smooth business operations. Insurance is categorized into different types based on the nature of coverage provided. The primary categories include life insurance, health insurance, general insurance, and commercial insurance. Each type serves a specific purpose and operates under unique business rules. Life insurance focuses on long-term financial protection, while health insurance addresses medical expenses. General insurance covers physical assets such as vehicles and property, and commercial insurance is designed for business-related risks. From a business analyst perspective, each category involves different workflows, stakeholders, and system requirements. For instance, life insurance policies typically have longer durations, while general insurance policies are often short-term with frequent claims. Understanding these distinctions is important for requirement gathering, process modeling, and system design. It also helps the BA communicate effectively with stakeholders from different insurance segments. A strong understanding of core insurance concepts is essential for a business analyst working in this domain. These concepts form the foundation for all insurance-related processes and system functionalities. A policy is a legal agreement between the insurer and the insured, defining coverage terms. The premium is the amount paid by the customer to maintain the policy. A claim is a request made by the policyholder to receive compensation for a covered event. Underwriting is the process of evaluating risk and determining policy terms, including premium calculation. The beneficiary is the individual entitled to receive policy benefits. These concepts translate into system requirements and workflows. For example, underwriting rules are implemented in decision engines, while claims processing involves multiple validation steps. Understanding these terms helps in creating accurate documentation such as BRDs and user stories, ensuring alignment between business expectations and technical implementation. The insurance domain is a key segment of the financial services industry that focuses on risk management and financial protection. It operates on the principle of risk transfer, where individuals or organizations pay a premium to an insurer in exchange for coverage against potential losses. This model helps distribute risk across a large pool of policyholders. From a business analyst perspective, understanding the insurance domain is essential for delivering effective solutions. Insurance projects often involve complex workflows such as policy administration, underwriting, and claims processing. Each of these processes requires clear documentation and precise requirement gathering. The domain is broadly divided into life and non-life insurance, each with different products, rules, and stakeholders. Additionally, insurance systems frequently integrate with third-party services like payment gateways and regulatory platforms.